So I want to talk to you about cycling inspecting. That's something we do in the summertime to check the system and make sure it's still running properly, because a lot of things can happen between spring startup and winterization. People generally don't get up at 4:30 in the morning to inspect their systems to make sure sprinkler heads are working properly. A lot of times what we find during the cycle inspect is a sprinkler head like this one might have been broken by a car pulling in, or maybe a lawnmower chopped off the top of one of them, and who knows how long it runs that way, wasting water. So during a cycle inspect, we can find lots of issues that you're not aware of to keep your system running properly. So it saves water, keeps everything green and growing healthy. So if you're in our Plus program, Cycle Inspect is one of the services that's offered in that Plus program, but you can also purchase the service separately even if you're in our basic program. On commercial sites like HOAs, typically we'll do 2 to 3 cycle inspects in the summertime because nobody's really out walking the property as much as a homeowner does. But it's not unusual for a homeowner to do 1, 2, or 3 cycle inspects as well. This keeps the system running good, make sure that the arc adjustment is watering the grass and not the street or the sidewalk, and to make sure no sprinkler heads are broken. So do yourself a favor, get a summer checkup.